Aw, Khosi Nation, Bafana Bokuthula Noxolo, the Love and Peace boy, the boys that are always home, Iphefeni, the Tlama boys. But yeah, Lipof, Ihlukudla kwa sure no wait. I just wanna say I'd like to take this opportunity about to welcome our 11th signing. Umayo Mfethu, one of the strikers that were like a striker that was highly linked available with the course available last season. So yeah, let's just take this opportunity which like some welcome to welcome him, and I hope everybody videos on welcome and criticizing wara in because we don't actually know what actually goes on behind the scenes, but we know his qualities, we know what he's capable of. So yeah, let's give the boy a chance. His dad played for the team. Let him play for the team, and maybe if he does good, because my need tracker like is 7. So yeah, it's gonna be tough. Thank God, Kosi for life.